Easily clean your pontoon boat with Slimy Grimy Blazin. Slimy Grimy Blazin formula has been designed to easily remove the oxidation on aluminum pontoon boats without etching the aluminum. This 24-foot pontoon boat from 1995 hasn't been cleaned in over 4 years. Watch how we make it shine with Slimy Grimy Blazin. Spray Slimy Grimy Blazin over the areas covered with dirt and grime 2 times. Notice the dirt begin to melt away. Slimy Grimy removes buildup of algae stains that creates drag. After scrubbing the excess dirt and algae stains, spray sections of the boat with Slimy Grimy Blazin. Then, use a 3M polishing cloth to put a final polish and remove the balance of oxidation. It takes about half a gallon of Blazin and an hour to clean a 24-foot pontoon boat. Slimy Grimy Blazin also works on any aluminum and fiberglass boat. It's also safe to use on your engine. Watch how this 1978 outboard engine begins to shine with Slimy Grimy Blazin, and it's been used for over 30 years. Cleaning your old and new pontoon boat has never been easier with Slimy Grimy's Blazin. Buy 2 gallons today and get free shipping.